Alright guys, so it's finally here. This is the Mars Hydro TS1000. I've got it in a little 2x2 grow tent. I pretty much was using one of these jigsters. Oh, right here. This jigster, it says 110. It would draw about 115, 120. It's a Jigster 1000W. I was using this and I said, man, I want to get something more recommended, more higher rated, high performance. This thing is cool, man. It's extremely bright. Growing a little avocado here that I'm trying to get to sprout, a few of them. And I'm gonna try it out with this light, but this thing is crazy bright. Crazy bright. I like that you can take the little ballast or the driver off and kind of separate it. What I wanted to see is how hot this would get. And if it doesn't get hot, I'll just put it back in there in the tent. If not, I'll leave it out here. But you got this deal here, and then you got the intensity here. And what I did was, I have it maxed out right now, but you can literally, I think this is, I don't think it's no, it just tells you like the power voltage, but, or not voltage, the meter. But what I did was, the lower I would lower it, the lower the wattage would go, like this. It's getting lower and lower and lower. You can turn it off. But obviously more light, more wattage. At max, it was about 150. At the lowest setting, about 15, maybe 10, somewhere around there is what I got on my meter. So, but yeah, I'm gonna test it out, see how it does with the heat inside of this little 2x2. If it doesn't get too hot, I'll put this back on there. Less wiring around here, but yeah, I paid 90 bucks on Amazon used. This one's used, but this is the newer 2022 model. I don't feel like it gets as hot as my Jigster at all, but it's, again, I'm gonna try it out. It's usually 150, I think 149 on Amazon. I'll drop the link in the description, but I paid 90 for this used. Ordered it about 5 days ago, and it finally came in. So, but yeah, hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave some comments if you have any, and see you guys later.